This is a tree check for the BSD bike tree. Because if I come through here, I pretty much air off this shit. Fired up. Okay. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name's Jason Teet. We're here just off Kitts Beach in Vancouver, British Columbia. Coming today with my bike check for my new BSD. 21-inch top tube, the Anthony Lil frame. Middle rear end is 13.25. I'm running a 28.9 gearing, so I'm a little bit back. I like this bike. It's super low, feels really fast and stable. And with the 75, it cuts really sharp. Fork is V2 ghetto fork. It's got the Invest cast dropouts, super clean, super strong. Don't have to deal with cracking welds with your pegs and stuff, which I normally run. Don't have on yet, kind of running this hub guard pegless setup. 8.5 rise Highlander bars. V2 race stem for a little bit of height, and yeah, the polished stem, polished BSD hubs go pretty nice together. I like the way it looks in the end with the skin walls and the green color. I'm pretty stoked on it. Yeah, these hubs I really like. The last one I ran for probably 2 years and it held up perfectly. It's got full chromo axle as opposed to like a 77.5 aluminum. So that way it holds up a lot better to the abuse of tightening and loosening and retightening your stuff down. The bearings never crush down. Colony rims I got through Kill 'Em All Distribution, which is your new BSD distro in Canada. I got the wing thing seat, so I dig it. This new super light sprocket is 77.5, 510HX chain, 2.5 piece substance crank. I like right here that the pedal boss is a little bit beefier. It's pretty thick, and which is important. I've had them break there. It's two pieces fused together, and then the other arm comes on. Feel really stiff compared to my old chromo ones I had. So yeah, stoked on those. These are some Odyssey mix pedals, which I've actually had for honestly about 3 years, and they're the same pins. For whatever reason, the plastic, the composite, they work really well. But yeah, no, I'm loving this. I love the BSD stuff. It's all super tough. I've had no problems with anything. Everything's light but still sturdy, well thought out, well engineered. Everything I've got from BSD has pretty much worked out for me, especially this new rig. Yeah, I'd like to thank Grant at BSD for everything that he's done for me. He's been helping me out for like probably almost 3 years for sure. So yeah, I'd like to thank him. Also another shout out to Kill 'Em All BMX Distribution, and then also BSDforever.com to check out the parts and what colors they got. Thanks to everyone that's watching this, and ride on, have fun. Yeah, thanks to Ride On Bike Shop, all the boys in Michigan. Throw that out there. All right, peace.